In 2019, Mammoet, a heavy lifting and transportation solution company, had a monumental milestone at Dangote Oil Refinery in Nigeria. They successfully installed the world's largest crude distillation column, which weighs 2,350 tons and stands 112 meters tall. Sibir is the biggest petrochemical facility for the production of polymers in Russia, which is located in the heart of Siberia in Tobolsk. The company wanted help with unloading, transporting, and installing the heavy and oversized components needed to build the facility. This is how they were transported. What you see in this video is the transport of the 917-ton and 677-ton water wash columns at the Tobolsk River port. These structures are used for thermal cracking, which is the breaking down of complex hydrocarbons into commercially useful molecules. After transporting these columns, it was another challenge to lift and install them. With detailed engineering calculations, they were carefully maneuvered into positions using fully assembled cranes. This six-legged giant structure weighs 3,200 tons and measures 40 meters long, 47 meters wide, and 48 meters tall. It is called Alpha Jacket, which is a part of Hollandse Kust wind farm in South Holland. It was loaded on a vessel and safely transported to the United Arab Emirates using 128 axle lines. This heavy lifting was carried out by detailed engineering calculations, thorough planning, and comprehensive risk assessments of the load-out operations. With increasing demand for sustainable energy, transporting heavy equipment that is necessary for windmills is also a big challenge. Mammoet transported 22 wind turbines for the Siemens Gamesa Renewable Energy company using this Nooteboom mega windmill transporter. They were transported from the port of Egersund through the mountains to a site in Norway. What you see in this video is the transport of the top tower weighing 70 tons, which is 36 meters long. Ale Company, heavy lifting and transportation specialist, broke a world record to transport the world's heaviest evaporator. The evaporator weighs 5,134 tons and it was loaded in using 186 axle lines. Then it was transported 1 kilometer to the Shoiba Desalination Plant project site in Saudi Arabia. These two giant tower cranes were utilized to install over 700 wind components in a wind farm project in Thailand. It was a challenging and dangerous task because the wind turbines weigh about 120 tons and a hub is 157 meters tall. Imagine how difficult and dangerous it is to put together these giant windmills. This pair of giant machines called crawler transporters have carried the rockets and spacecraft to the launch pad for more than 50 years at NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida. They weigh about 6.6 million pounds, that equals to 15 Statues of Liberty. They are able to transport 900 tons, which equals to 20 fully loaded Boeing 777 airplanes. So, if you watched the video so far, what is the most interesting and mind-blowing transportation of this heavy equipment? To see more videos like this every week, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any video. Like and share with your friends and family too. Thank you for watching and see you next time.